National Geographic Science Life in the Forest by Mary Claire Goller. Life cycle. A life cycle is the way living things grow, changes, and makes more living things like itself and dies. Germinate. When seeds germinate, they begin to grow. Seedling. A seedling is a young plant. Amphibian, bird, mammal, reptile, fish, insects. Extinct. A living things become extinct when no members of its group are alive. Plants in a forest. The Hawaiian islands have some forests that are very wet. They are rainforests. Many trees and plants grow in this forest. The koa tree grows in Hawaiian rainforest. Like all plants, it has a life cycle. A koa tree starts its life cycle as a seed. When the seed germinates, it begins to grow. It has a thin stem and tiny root. The tiny plant continues to grow and becomes a seedling, or a very young plant. Leaves on the koa seedling looks different than the adult tree leaves. An adult koa tree produces seed pods. Each seed pod holds about 10 seeds. The pod can protect the seed for many years. When the seeds are ripe or ready, they turn brown and fall to the ground. Dry brown pods split open and seeds fall onto and can germinate. When a koa seed germinates, a new koa plant can begin its life cycle. Animal in the forest. Many different animals grow and change in a Hawaiian rainforest. The Hawaiian hornbillet is a mammal. Like most animals, it is born live. Many other animals, such as most fish and insects, begin their life cycle as eggs. Many fish live in the ocean near the rainforest. Most reptiles also hatch from eggs. The gecko is one kind of reptile. A young gecko looks like a smaller version of its parent. Most amphibians, such as this frog, hatch from egg. Eggs become tadpoles. The tadpoles look very different from adult frogs. This beautiful bird from Hawaii begins its life cycle as an egg too. A chick or baby hatches from an egg. The chick does not look exactly like its parent. As the chick grows, its feathers change color, but this type of chick doesn't grow much bigger as an adult. Adult IUV female birds will lay 2 eggs. The eggs are white with brown spots. The young birds will hatch in 14 days. The birds that become extinct. The black mammal has died out or become extinct. It was a bird that lived on one of the Hawaiian islands. The black mammal did not survive after people brought other animals to the island. Rats and mongooses ate the black mammal. New life cycle could not begin. Some animals such as the Hawaiians, Akepa, and other Hawaiian birds are in danger of becoming extinct. Koa trees that grow in the rainforest have shelter to these birds and other animals. When forest land changes, there is less shelter. Without a place to rest young, some animals could become extinct. Think about the big ideas. Question number 1. How do koa trees grow and change? How do iwi birds grow and change? How did a black mammal become extinct? The end. See you next time.